Here's how to filter Lucky Orange dynamic heat maps to see how traffic with a specific UTM parameter is behaving on that page. The first step inside Lucky Orange will be to load a heat map. So we'll go to Analytics and then Heat Maps, and then choose a page or search for a specific page that you want to load a heat map for. Once we're inside the heat map viewer, all we're looking for is segments, which is up in the top left corner here. This opens the segmentation drawer, which has a wide variety of things that we can choose from, but what we're focusing on here would be UTM, so source, medium term, campaign, or content. Within each of these dropdowns, we'll see the UTM parameters that were associated with traffic that came to this page. Of course, if you want, you can combine things to get even more specific. You're spending a lot of money on driving traffic to your site from paid ads or whatever it might be, and you want to know exactly what those people are doing once they get to your page. This is a great place to start.